Welcome. In front of me is a Teclast T60, and today I will show you how you can format your SD card. To get started, you will want to open up your settings, and in here we're gonna scroll down. Somewhere on the side you will find storage, so click on it, and here you can see there is a drop-down menu where it says this device. Now we want to change that to disk or SD card, or whatever it says for you. Basically anything other than this device. And this in turn will show you the SD card that is inserted. Now for me, that card is basically empty. As you can see, apparently 4.4 gigs used. Hopefully nothing of value there. So we're gonna select format right here to format the card and then confirm it. And this gives you a last pop-up letting you know that formatting this SD card, the Samsung SD card needs to be, okay, disregard the first message. The second one is the one that we actually care about. So formatting will erase existing content on the SD card. To avoid losing content, back it up to another SD card or device. Now, assuming you want to get rid of all the data that is on the card, you can just select format. Now, there is 4 gigs of some data on here that I don't know what it is, so I'm gonna actually not format it. But to proceed further, you just press on this, and obviously it goes through a fully automatic process. Once it's finished, the card is then ready to be used once more without any extra steps needed. So with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.